the thing on fleek like down. Even they must say I was in you.
This is nice. Look at this.
Down. Even they must say I was in you. Now they for me and down. Me and down. Now tell me no, 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 no.
Yeah, it's on the
Oh, this pussy was in the fiber. Pretty little demon freak like my girl.
No, give me a sweet. Love, you remember?
So guys, I pull out my hair. This is the new look. I'm gonna go throw with the garbage. Throw it away right now. Yeah. Going to wash it right now. Yeah. Alright. I'll go wash it. Get out the dirt. It's been this way since the December holiday. Alright, see you at my wash day routine. Alright, so this is to drink. I would advise to use it to drink. Oops. I was told that it could be used to drink. Well, I knew, but it never really crossed my mind to drink it. Alright. Never it crossed my mind to drink it. I wish I could just blend everything together to wash my hair. Here what, let me just scrape it out like I normally do. Cause this will take a while. If I'm gonna do it good for the so just scrape out every single piece. Yeah, look at that guys. Yeah, me usually just scrape it out just like that. I really don't have the time or patience. If I do it little by little, when I say just scrape out every single thing. Yeah. Yeah. I go wash out back anyhow. Like, I go just leave it in there for like half an hour. Yeah, about that. About that long. Yeah. so this is for today. I'm gonna put up this piece, put it up for the next time. Yeah, although I cut it, not now do it. I just put it up and then just drink this piece. Oh God, how am I gonna do this? I think I could just soak it in the water. Oh God, how am I gonna do this? Yeah, I just soak it in the water, I guess. And it can use to wash face. Yeah, I've heard that too. So guys, I was going to take you outside to do my little wash hair routine, but too much people, too much people outside. So this is what I use. I use these to wash and rinse. Yeah, this one. Well, I was using this one to be honest, but then I decided to add this to it because I used to use Cantu, but then I stopped using it for a while. Yeah, so decided to just add it back. Been using it for a while now. I think I'm going to go straight over to the Cantu brand, like just use their products. Yeah, I think so, but yeah. Going outside to wash and dry. And yes, this is a scandal back on my head. I had to put it on for the after I added the aloe vera to my hair. I can't find the thing that I usually put on it, so I just tie a biodegradable scandal bag. It's biodegradable. Alright.
Please 94. Can I have a receipt, please?
Sure. Oops. Thank you. Thank you.